Welcome to the British Museum, a journey through time. Today we explore one of the world's greatest cultural institutions. Located in the heart of London, the British Museum is a treasure trove, housing millions of objects spanning human history, art, and culture. From its grand architecture to its sprawling collections, the museum invites us to step back in time and connect with civilization's past. Its mission is to hold the world's history for everyone. The collection comprises over 8 million works, illustrating the story of human culture from its beginnings to the present day. Let's highlight some of the most iconic and significant items that draw millions of visitors annually to these halls. First, the Rosetta Stone. This crucial artifact unlocked the secrets of Egyptian hieroglyphs, providing the key for modern scholars to translate ancient texts. The Egyptian Mummies collection offers a profound glimpse into ancient Egyptian burial rites, beliefs in the afterlife, and advanced embalming techniques. But the wonders don't end there. The museum is rich with artifacts from across the Roman, Greek, and Mesopotamian worlds. The Parthenon sculptures, often called the Elgin marbles, are magnificent examples of classical Greek art, though their presence in London remains a complex and controversial subject. Another captivating exhibit is the Lewis Chessmen, a mysterious collection of medieval chess pieces carved from walrus ivory, showcasing extraordinary 12th century artistry. The museum experience is more than just the individual artifacts. The building itself is a masterpiece of modern and classical design. The Queen Elizabeth II Great Court, with its stunning glass roof, transformed the central courtyard into Europe's largest covered public space, creating a vibrant hub for visitors. Behind the scenes, the British Museum conducts vital conservation work and research, ensuring these invaluable objects are preserved and studied for future generations. In conclusion, the British Museum stands as a formidable guardian of global history, offering a panoramic view of human achievement. It serves as a crossroads where ancient civilizations meet the modern world, inspiring wonder and critical thought about our shared path. Whether you visit in person or explore its collections online, the British Museum awaits, ready to take you on your own journey through time.